this tutorial, we will learn about on how to find the average of the nth number of an array. So let's see. So since I have already the code, I'll only discuss it with you. First is we will ask the user on how many numbers do you want. Then you'll create a variable name list of numbers. It is an empty list. Then the total of 0, since we don't have any number, or we don't have already a total. So in this area we will make a for loop like for I in range n, which is represents the number of the numbers we want to enter. So number is equals to n input list of number. In this section you will identify the numbers, then input it, and then it will be append list of numbers that append. Then it will be saved in the number. Then for item in list of numbers is equals to total plus or equal to item. Then in this area we'll create an average variable that contains the total is divided by the length of numbers. Then we'll print the average. 2f is this one represents the 2 decimal places, and the f here is the float. This is the modulo, which represents the division. So like for example, how many numbers do we want? It says I want number 3. Then the list of numbers 21, 23, 43. Then the list of or the average of these 3 numbers is 10. So that's how easy to find the average of how many numbers do you want in Python. So that's all in this video tutorial.